Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to clear your browsing history on the Opera browser. First, open the Opera browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the Privacy and Security option. Then, clear browsing data. From the Basic option, you can clear the basic browsing data. You can set the time range, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. From the Advanced option, you can clear more browsing data options. Click on Clear Data.